Okay, good morning all of you. We'll see some other problems. He given one cell reaction given, and he given standard EMF of the cell given, and is asking a standard free energy change and equilibrium constant. You can get it. Once try. Direct two formulas we can use. First, better find out change in electrons. Fe plus 3 is becoming plus 2 means 1 electron, but here 2 electron, balance or no, compulsory is 2 electron change. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, what is the formula for delta G naught directly? Minus NF E naught cell, because standard. 4 N minus 2 into F Faraday, one more electron charge. Actually 96,485 something will be coming, but you are taking wrong figure. 96,500 coulombs into E naught cell is becoming 0.236 volts. You could do simplification. Is it spontaneous or non-spontaneous? Spontaneous, because delta G is negative. Is coming around value is how much is coming? 45548 joules Kelvin inverse or mole inverse, joule per mole. Yes. Next, what is asking? Equilibrium constant. Do we have any formula for equilibrium constant and delta G naught? Yes. What is the formula we have? Last formula. Delta G naught is equals to minus of 2.303 into RT into log Kc. Do simplification. Then log Kc is equals to what is coming? Delta G naught is minus 4584. 455848 by minus cancel minus 2.303, R value 8.314, temperature 298. Cancel here. Then we are getting log Kc is equals to, simplify, what value is coming? 7.982 is coming. Yes, no? 7.982 is coming. You simplify that one. But I want Kc. If you want Kc means what I should do? Log inverse. Log inverse means anti-log. Anti-log of 7.982. How can you see anti-logarithm? Before decimal, whatever digit is there, whatever value is there, give it. In anti-logarithm, you have to see for 98 to 2. In anti-logarithm table, for 98 2 you have to see. For 98 2, if you can see, it is coming at 0.9594 into. Rules is there, no? Before decimal, whatever number is there, to that add 1. 7 plus 1, 8. Write on it 10 powers. So it is nothing but 9.594 into 10 to the power of 7. This is the Kc value. Once again, you see how to see anti-logarithm. How many times you learn, you will definitely forget that one. Anti-log of any number. If you want to see anti-log of 7.982, before the decimal, whatever number is there, give it some time. Then you have to see for 98 to 2, you have to see an anti-logarithm table. Okay, for 98 to 2 means we are getting 0.9594 we are getting into. Before decimal, whatever number is there, to that add 1. 7 plus 1, 8. It should write on it 10 power. Simplify, you will get it. Is it clear? Yes. This is only 5 marks question, the very easiest thing. Next is asking standard free energy change is asking delta G naught value is asking question mark. He given cell reaction Cu is becoming Cu plus 2 at 1 molar concentration, salt bridge. Ag plus 1 molar concentration is becoming Ag. Okay. And standard electrode potential of copper given as 0.34 volts. If you will not give also, we know that one. Silver also we know it. 0.8 na? 0.8 volts. That's it. Standard EMF, sorry, standard free energy change is asking, that is a given information. Very simple. What is the formula for this? Delta G naught is equals to minus NF E naught cell. Yes, sir. Why we are taking this one? 1 molar means is nothing but standard values only. So taken electrodes at 1 molar concentration means standard electrode potential values. Okay. Now, what is the N value here? 2 or 1? 2. Should take balanced, but in under reduction. Under oxidation to reduction 1, but you have to take balanced equation. Under balanced equation N value is coming 2. Substitute here. And before that you have to find out standard EMF of the cell. You know very well. Standard EMF of the cell is equals to standard electrode potential of cathode minus anode. What is the cathode here? Right side is cathode, left side is anode. Right side cathode means silver is the cathode. Standard electrode potential of AC minus standard electrode potential of copper. Do it. What is coming? 0.8 minus 0.34. Coming 0.46 na? Yes. Substituting this formula, everything is there, no? Delta G naught is equals to minus N to F 96,500 into E naught cell will be 0.46. Free energy, no? How much? Minus 88780 joules. Anyway, energy, no? Coming in joules. Did you got my point? Yes. Still 3 more problems is there. You do it, get practice. Calculate the EMF of this cell. Calculate the EMF of this cell. Okay, given cell reaction is Fe is becoming Fe plus 2. Concentration is 0.6 molar. Salt bridge. Sn plus 2 into Sn. Concentration is 0.6 molar, sorry, 0.2 molar, and still some other information. Standard electrode potential of iron is minus 0.44, and standard electrode potential of tin is 0.14 volts. That is a positive sign. That's it. Iron is 0.6. Tin is 0.2 minus 0.44 volts and 0.14 volts. Yes. That's it. But writing cell reaction is good. This is left hand side, no, anode oxidation. This is reduction. Write down. Which particle Fe is becoming like which one? Fe plus 2. Reduction means starting is what? Sn plus 2 is becoming like Sn. Is it clear? So this is solid, this is aqueous, that's why given concentration, given aqueous, and this is solid. Okay, write down. EMF of this cell for any reaction from the rest. Yes, very good. EMF of this cell is equals to standard EMF of this cell minus 0.059 by n into log concentration of the products ions by reactant ions. Is it clear? Yes. So standard EMF of the cell is, can we get it amount? What is the cathode here? Tin is the cathode, iron is the anode. Yes. Tin minus copper. Do it. Means standard, but one more step. Tin minus standard electrode potential of iron minus 0.059 by n is how much? 2 into, very good, log concentration of the products means Fe plus 2 by Sn plus 2. Fe plus 2 concentration by Sn plus 2 concentration. To simplification, tin minus this one means minus of minus becomes plus 0.58 minus 0.059 by 2 into log Fe plus 2 will be how much? 0.6 by 0.2, nothing but 3 times 3 times, yes. Then 0.58 minus 0.059 by 2 into log 3. You know very well how to see log 3 value. Log 3 means 3.0. Okay, before decimal, how many digits? One digit, minus 1, 0 point. How to see? For 30, 0 we have to see. For 30, 0 value will be 0.477. 4771. Did you got my point? Logarithm before decimal, how many digits? Not value, digits. 1, minus 1, 0, point. For 3, can't get from 10 onwards you will get in logarithm. So that's why for 30 you have to see 0. It's nothing but 4771. You will here. So log 3 value is 0.4771. To simplify everything, finally you are getting EMF of this cell is equals to how much? 0.26. How much is coming? We check it carefully. Even 566 given. Definitely everything less than 0.58. 0.2626, huh? 26? 26. That's one. Is it right? Want to check it? After that, to do one more problem. Correct? Yes. Okay, very good. Next, we try one more problem. Represent the cell in which the following reaction takes place. Okay, and what is asking? EMF of the cell only is asking EMF of the cell is a question mark, and he given a reaction Mg solid plus 2Ag plus its concentration is 0.0001 molar gives rise to Mg plus 2. Its concentration is 0.13 molar, let it be, plus 2Ag. You know very well this is solid, silver is solid, remaining two are in aqueous medium, thus we given concentration. And he given standard EMF of the cell is already mentioned, already given, is nothing but 3.17 volts amount. Same procedure, no? And very easy, directly substitution. But before that, you have to identify number of transport electrons. How much amount? Mg is becoming Mg plus 2 electron change. If we can consider this one also 2 electron change, that's why N is equals to 2. Right on. EMF of this cell is equals to standard EMF of this cell minus 0.059 by N into log concentration of the product ions by reactant ions. Okay, standard already given on 3.17 minus 0.059 by 2 into log. Products means Mg plus 2, no? Mg plus 2 means 0.13 by reactant. Be careful. Be careful. Why? Yes, very good. Ag plus whole square will be coming. Otherwise, you write out one more step. Concentration of the Mg plus 2 ions by Ag plus ion whole square. Don't forget that. Okay, then we are getting 3.17 minus 0.059 by 2 into log 0.13 by 0.001 whole square. 3.17 minus 0.059 by 2 into log 0.13 into, and we write it as 10 to the power of minus eta plus eta plus 8. 10 to the power of minus 4 whole square minus 8. Minus 8 comes up to plus 8. Still we can simplify this one. What are rated as a 1 pointer? Write down. So write down 1 point. This time only simplify fast. It is becoming like remaining as it is log 1.3 into 10 to the power of 7. Now how can you see? Again we did yesterday. Log AB, log A plus log B. First of all, you have to see log 1.3. You have to see Log 1.3 means how much value will come on? 0 point. Because before decimal 1 digit minus 1, 0 point. How to see? For 13 0. How much? For 13 0. 1139 is coming. Plus, how much is coming? Log 10 to the power of 7. Log a power x, x log a. 7 log 10 to the base 10 becomes 7. So the whole term is becoming nothing but 7.1139. Minus 0.059 by 2. This is as it is 3.17. You do simplification, final answer tell me. 22 point. Is it correct? How 22 point? It's less than 3.8. 2 point something will come, check it. Yes sir? 2 point? 3 minus something, no? Point 2.234 volts. That is right. Definitely 3 point something minus. EMF of this cell is equals to this one. 2.234 something. You do correction. Definitely it will be less than 3.17. Yes. You see last problem. Calculate the equilibrium constant for the reaction Cu solid 2Ag plus aqueous medium gives Cu plus 2 aqueous medium and 2Ag solid. And what information given to us? Standard EMF for this cell given. Standard EMF for this cell given as 0.46 volts. That's it. No, same model done already. Direct formula is in third diagnostic equation. Standard EMF for this cell. Standard EMF for this cell is equals to 0.059 by n into log Kc over. Standard EMF for the cell is 0.46. 0.059 by transport electrons. Don't confuse it in one reaction 2, in one reaction 1, but we are taking balance. That's why in any oxidation or reduction, transport electron will be 2 into log Kc. Leave it as it is. Then do it log Kc. Log Kc is equals to 2 into 0.46 by 0.059. You will get some value. 15.6. 15.6. But I want Kc. Kc is equals to anti-log of 15.6. How? Before decimal number, leave it. What we have to do, anti-log of them for 60 0. For 60 0, we are getting 0.3981. 0.3981 into, yes, 15 plus 1, 16. Should write down in 10 to the power 16. And no sir, I want to simplify. Write down better. 3.981 into 10 to the power of 15. That is the equilibrium constant value. Okay, workout. And this is right now what theory we discussed. Based on that one, we seen so many problems. I think you all of you got clarity regarding these all problems. Now we are going to second part in electrochemistry. Actually, in the deleted syllabus, he removed something. Still, we have any clarity whether he will give in complete examination or no. This was better. We have to complete as it is. If it is there, we can practice. Otherwise, we can leave. That's not a matter. But that time, if you want to teach me, it's difficult for us. Okay. Now see, all of you. Electrical properties of the material. Electrical properties of material. Nice concept it is. Some logical things will be there. You have to observe very carefully. To understand the electrical properties of the materials, we have to learn some basic definitions. Under that, first one is electrical resistance. Electrical resistance. I think you know in physics this term. What is the meaning of resistance? Yes, resistance is nothing but R. Denoted by R. What is the meaning of resistance? Resistance means is the measure of a property of a material to oppose the flow of current through it. Once again, so electrical resistance is the one of the measure of the property of the material, opposition of the current through that material is calling as a electrical resistance. The electrical resistance of any material is directly proportional to length of the material or length of the body, and inversely proportional to cross section area of the body or of the material. From these two, what we can write? R is directly proportional to length and inversely proportional to cross section area. Can I write one more thing here? I want to remove the proportionality. So we have to write down one proportionality constant is nothing but rho into L by A. So here I want to discuss some important points. What is the units of R? Units of resistance. Right? What are the units of resistance? Ohms. Ohms are denoted by like this. Yes or no? Now what is the meaning of rho? Means is nothing but yes, very good. This is calling as a rho. Rho means is nothing but resistivity. Resistivity are also calling as specific resistance. Specific resistance. Both are same meaning. Okay, can you define the specific resistance or resistivity? The specific resistance or resistivity is nothing but rho is nothing but resistance of the body when length of the body should be 1 meter and cross section area of the body should be 1 meter square. Then resistance of the body only we are calling as specific resistance or resistivity. Is it extensive property or intensive property? R is extensive property, is depending upon amount of the matter, nothing but length and cross section area. But resistivity is independent. Why? Because is already fixed. When we taken 1 meter and 1 meter square cross section area, these only bits. Resistance is the extensive property and resistivity is the intensive property, because resistivity means the resistance of the material when we taken 1 meter length and 1 meter square cross section area, it will be fixed. That's why how much you taken, the resistivity of the body will be remains same. That's why resistivity is the intensive property, resistance is the extensive property. My question, what is the units of rho? Units of rho are nothing but resistivity. Can we get it? Yes, you taken R is equals to rho into L by A. I want rho is equals to R A by L. What is the units of R? Ohms. Area units is nothing but meter square. A length will be meter. Cancel here. We are getting ohm meters. The resistivity or specific resistance units is nothing but ohm meters. All of you getting or no? And I want to discuss some other terms here. It is nothing but electrical conductance. Electrical conductance. How can you show in physics? How can you show electrical conductance of the materials? G. Okay, what is the meaning of electrical conductance? You know very well. Yes, conductance or electrical conductance is nothing but reciprocal of the resistance. Yes, you know very well. Automatically units what you can tell? Units, yes, very good. Tell me, units of G is nothing but 1 by ohm. 1 by ohm means ohm inverse. Is nothing but ohm inverse. Ohm inverse also can be written as mho. Reverse. Reverse means mho. Are you getting or no? This is only we are also calling as Siemens. Siemens. Indirectly denoted by letter yes. The reciprocal of the resistance is calling as conductance. Units of conductance is nothing but ohm inverse or mho or Siemens. Okay, we can work out something here. See, G is equals to 1 by R value. How much you got? Rho L by A. Simplify now. G is equals to 1 by rho L A by rho L. Is it right? Yes. Can we take N? G is equals to 1 by rho into A by L. This 1 by rho. Again one more name. So it is nothing but conductivity. Conductivity. Conductivity is also calling as specific conductance. Specific conductance. Specific conductance is denoted by letter K. It is nothing but reciprocal of the resistivity. You got my point? So then we write here G is equals to K into A by L. So can we write units of K? Can we write units of K? Units of K is equals to GL by A. G units are what? Siemens or ohm inverse or mho, and length units is meters and area units meter square. Then what is coming? Siemens meters inverse or mho meter inverse or ohm inverse meter inverse. All are same meaning. All of you getting or no? 4 definitions we are getting. Once again you have to check it very carefully. So what is the meaning of resistance and resistivity, conductance and conductivity? A resistance is the one of the property of the material which represents opposition of electricity through that material. So is always directly proportional to length of the body and inversely proportional to cross section area of the body. From there you got R is equals to rho into L by A. This rho is calling as proportionally constant, especially we are calling as resistivity or specific resistance. What are the units of R? Ohm. We know very well. I want units of resistivity. How? Ohm meters square by meters is nothing but ohm meters we are getting. Yes or no? So what is the definition of this resistivity or specific resistance? When we take in 1 meter length and 1 meter square cross section area of the body, then its resistance only we are calling as resistivity. Okay, next. What is the meaning of conductance? Reciprocal of the resistance is calling as conductance. Then units is nothing but ohm inverse, mho or Siemens inverse. So sorry, Siemens. And from here I substituted, then we are getting G is equals to 1 by rho into A by L. So 1 by rho, reciprocal of the resistance. The reciprocal of the resistance only we are calling, resistivity only we are calling as conductivity. So we can write here K. So then K units I want, K is equals to GL by A is nothing but Siemens meter inverse. Are you getting or no? So resistance R, resistivity rho, conductance G, conductivity K. So that's why we can tell, again I am asking one question, conductance and conductivity, which is extensive property and which is intensive property. Conductance is indirectly depending upon length of the body and all these things. That's why this is calling as extensive property. K means fixed. You take this much or this much, its conductivity power will be remains same. Why? Should take standard condition. That means it's nothing but you have to take which one? Yes, this value you won't know. Means 1 by rho is equals to G. When area will be 1 meter square and L will be 1 meter. 1 by rho only we are calling as K. Means conductance of the material becomes conductivity when area will be 1 meter square and the length will be 1 meter. This is calling as conductance value. That means conductivity value. I will see like this. This will be remains. What are you getting?